Good morning all of you and welcome to English class. In the previous class, we learned the lesson Happy Deepavali. That was part 1. Today let us see the continuation part for the lesson part 2. The Happy Deepavali lesson part 2 we shall see today. So let's see once again what we have learned in the previous class very briefly. So it is about Deepavali festival. So here in Andhra Pradesh we call this festival Deepavali, whereas in northern India, in states like Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab, Uttarakhand and Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan and in Uttar Pradesh, in these states they call this festival Diwali. On this festival, this festival is also called as the festival of lights. On the day of this festival, people light the lamps and they light the crackers, they prepare food items and they share the food items with their friends and family members and relatives, and they enjoy like this, especially children. Children show very much interest in lighting the lamps and in cracking the crackers and all. And we also learned in the part 1 that while cracking the crackers we have to take some precautions. That is, we should not wear nylon clothes as they can catch easily fire. We should wear cotton cloths. And we also learned that especially girls, they should not wear long flowing dress, but they should wear cotton clothes which are so long. Boys should wear full sleeved shirts and trousers. And also children, since that is the festival, people come from their relatives' houses, from their neighbors' houses. So it's not a good occasion to play hide and seek game, because we do not know in which place there are crackers, and we do not know, because all the neighbors, they will be cracking the crackers and throwing them on the sides. Therefore, it's better not to play the hide and seek game on the today. And we have to be very careful while lighting the crackers. Up to there we have seen. From then onwards we have to see today in the part 2. Never try to light crackers without the permission of your parents. Ask your mother or father to be with you when you play with crackers. So without the permission of our parents, we should not light the crackers, because they are very dangerous as they explode. So if we inform to our parents, if we take permission from our parents, they will be there. Their presence will be there with us. They will guide us and they will teach us how to light the crackers. So it will be a good thing if you take permission from your parents and light a cracker. Otherwise, you do not know the process and the process how to light the cracker, and you may make mistake in lighting the cracker, and it may become harmful to you. Ask your mother or father to be with you when you play with crackers. When you want to play with the crackers, you have to ask your father and mother to be with you. Therefore, they knew some precautions, they knew some tips on how to light the crackers. Next point, once you light a cracker, do not go and look over it. If it fails to explode, it may take some time to explode and explode on your face. So it is a very important point. That is, once you light a cracker, do not go and look over it if it fails to explode. Sometimes this mistake very often we do. We light a cracker and we throw. If it doesn't explode, we go near to it to check, and we use our legs or our hands to touch, or we use some sticks to touch the cracker, whether it has the fire or not. So it's not so good thing to do, because there may be fire, but it will not be seen outside. When you touch it with your hand or leg or with stick, it may all of a sudden explode. If it doesn't explode, you leave it, let it be there. That's what we have to do. We should not go near to it, and we should not check whether it has a fire or not. It may take some time to explode and explode on your face. Some crackers will not explode immediately soon after you light them. They may take some time. Therefore, when you go to check them, they may explode on our face. So, you may be likely to be injured if it explodes on your face. Next, seventh point, be careful with the sparkles and threads. Don't throw them carelessly after they burnt out. They will be hot and you may step on it and burn your leg. Instead, put them in mug of water. So sometimes when you light the crackers, the sparkles and the small pieces of the crackers, they may just come out and they may fall on our body, or they may fall on the surface of some cloths and all. So when it happens, the house may catch fire, or if it falls on you, you may definitely get injury. You may definitely get injuries. Therefore, we have to be careful when the sparkles are coming out of the cracker. When it gets explode, we should be away, and we need to keep a mug of water with you so that you will protect yourself from the sparkles. Next point, do not throw lighted crackers at each other. They are not toys, and you should remember that they are dangerous. Sometimes children, not knowing the dangerous things of crackers, they light the crackers and they throw on each other. Some crackers you can play like that, nothing may happen, but some crackers which may explode, you should not play with those crackers in this way. I mean, lighting the crackers and throwing on each other. So when it falls on the other person's body, or when it falls on your body, you may get injury, since it may explode on your face. That is why we should keep these points as an important points, and we should follow while cracking the crackers or lighting the crackers. Next, do not look over a flower pot. They sometimes explode. Flower pot means we call chichubudi. We light a cracker and so many sparks will be coming out with very bright light. That is what we call flower pot. So sometimes we light it. It takes sometimes to throw away the sparks. Therefore, until it explodes, we should not go near. If it doesn't explode, throw it away and light another one. That's all. Otherwise, we should not go near to it to check whether it has got a fire or not, or why it's not exploding. If we do that, it may sometimes all of a sudden explode, and we may burn our faces. Always keep a first aid box ready, but see to it that there is no need for it. Always we have to, when you are lighting the lamps or burning the crackers, we have to keep a first aid box in our house. When we burn our hands or body, when we burn our face and all, if there are some medicine, if there are some medicine or ointments, we don't need to meet a doctor when we are injured, but make sure that there is no need for it. There is no need for it means, if you keep all these points in your mind and light the crackers and celebrate Diwali, you don't need the help of first aid box, or you don't need to go to doctor, because you won't be injured. So these are the points that we have to follow while lighting the crackers on the day of Diwali, and that is how the Diwali is celebrated in India as well as mainly in Andhra Pradesh. So thank you.